Sup guys, over here. In this video we're gonna be talking about KaratDAO, their airdrop announcement, ongoing campaigns, how you can participate, and the upcoming IDO. As usual, all links gonna be in description, but follow at your own risk. Also, nothing in this video is financial advice, always do your own research. If you're not familiar with this, KaratDAO is positioned as decentralized data network. It's on zkSync and every transaction is taking place on zkSync era mainnet. So if you haven't participated that but you want to, you need to start with minting your NFT passport. This is a claimer NFT. After that, you can upload your verified credentials on chain. Every upload is like minting an NFT essentially. If we talk about the approximate gas, as always, be sure to set the gas limits lower to pay less gas. We actually did it in Drips 13, so if you need some visual assistance, you can use that video. Also, if you minted your claimer NFT way earlier, you're probably already eligible to a little bit of tokens from the airdrop number 1. You can check it in the airdrop tab. Obviously, these are not claimable before the TGE. It states that airdrop launching on August 15th. And recently we had an announcement of the second round of the airdrop, so let's briefly go through this one. First of all, the snapshot for the second round is going to be taken in August 3rd. There's going to be 70 million KAT tokens up for grabs, with 60 million of those for claimants. A little bit about the terms. Validators are obviously the validators of the network. Claimants are just the holders of the claimer NFT, and lieutenants are people who referring other people, so they get a little bit more of a kickback. And also additional 5 million is gonna be allocated for VC token holders. These are people who uploaded their credentials on chain. Regarding distribution of this 60 million for claimers, immediately after TGE, 25 million of those gonna be available for transfer, and then additionally 35 million is gonna be locked in IDs, and every time your ID data is requested, you will be able to unlock 30% of the tokens that are currently locked. I have no idea how this works, to be honest, so you have to do research here by yourself. And regarding these 5 million KAT tokens for VC token holders, this is just for the first 100,000 of VC holders. Not sure how many people already uploaded that. If we check the corresponding campaign on Galaxy, you can see that 25,000 people currently participating. But obviously some people who verified credentials are not participating in Galaxy, so it's really hard to tell. Okay, moving on to the ongoing campaigns. There are several raffles that you can participate in. And we're gonna start with the most time-sensitive one. This is zkDX. This is derivative trading protocol on zkSync. And I will actually do a separate video about this protocol because they're running their own campaigns, one of which is trading competition, which I found pretty interesting. So I'll cover that depth in details there. So regarding this raffle, you need like, retweet and tag 3 friends under this tweet and then fill the form. Some of these raffles, they are done via Galaxy, and others are done via the native Karat form. It's not too intuitive. I cannot show it in real time because I already submitted, but basically you just need to verify your Twitter and Discord, and if you already verified them for your claimer NFT and uploaded it on chain, you don't have to do it again. They will be connected automatically once you sign the message in your wallet, and then you just need to join servers of the partners. So for this one, the deadline already approaching, and based on Twitter and this form, you don't have to do any additional steps. You can just submit and you should be eligible for the raffle. Then details of the raffles, they usually publish on Twitter of KaratDAO. Next raffle is pretty much the same. The deadline here is 16th of July. Also, you need like, retweet and tag 3 friends and fill the corresponding form. Also, after filling the form and submitting, it sometimes takes you to the partner website. That's normal. Next one, not so time sensitive, is with the Crown World. Also same rules like retweet, tag 3 friends, fill the corresponding form. And the one campaign here that is a bit different, it's with the zkHarvest, because first of all, this is 2k USDT, not 200. Also pretty time sensitive, is gonna end on 16th of July. In the tweet itself, it doesn't say anything about the additional conditions. However, if you open this form and scroll, it says in order to be eligible for a chance to win a share of the giveaway, you need to swap, farm, and add liquidity on the application of the testnet version. So let's do that real quick. This is the application, zkHarvest. Make sure you're on the testnet. Connecting wallet. First of all, we need to swap. I'll just do a little bit of ETH into zkH. And we'll also add this to the MetaMask. Okay. Now we need to provide liquidity. I already have one pool here. I will add now ETH to zkH. If your balance is not loading, try to refresh the page. I just realized that my lamp wasn't on, so it was pretty dark, I assume, but that's okay. My face is really secondary. The main thing is happening on the screen. Okay, now that the balance is loaded, let's provide some liquidity. First of all, we need to enable the token. Okay, transaction confirmed, but button doesn't change. Let's refresh again. The application is a bit laggy on the testnet. Okay, now we can supply. All right, we can add LPs to the MetaMask also, if you want. And the last function we need to do is farm. For me, it's gonna be zkH to ETH. Just need to enable this. Now we'll put max amount of LPs and approve. And then stake. Okay. Confirming. Okay, it's been staked. Now the harvest button is actually active, but I don't think we need to harvest. Okay, now we move on to campaigns on Galaxy. First of all, this is gonna be KaratDAO with DerpDEX for 2k giveaway. Purely social, just need to do some stuff on Twitter and join the Discord. You can claim this OAT on Polygon, and the gas is also covered. Also, if you're interested in the DerpDEX holding their own campaign, they just recently went live on the mainnet. I will link this article, you can navigate from there if you find it interesting. Next we got this raffle for people who uploaded their credentials, also for 2k for 200 random winners. And lastly we got Discord roles. These are also distributed via Galaxy. So we got validator. Obviously if you're not a validator, you're not going to be able to acquire that. But you can claim the claimer role and the VC role. Obviously if you claimed your NFT and uploaded your credentials. Now we arrive at the IDO point, and I was not able to find like concrete information about the IDO. This is gonna happen on Starmaker launchpad, judging by the announcement, and it's gonna take place from July 19th up to August 5th. There is an allow list campaign with some information here based on what's written here, that the date is from July 19th to July 22nd. That first of all, people with allow list will be able to buy tokens, and then there's gonna go to the public sale and everybody can buy tokens if they want to, and that part is gonna go on from July 22nd to August 5th. It states that 10% of the token supply will be distributed on August 5th, and then the remaining tokens will be released quarterly for the 15 quarters. So that's like 10% right away and then 6% per quarter. And the only thing apart from date here is that allocation per investor is $200. Again, I'll be waiting for more information on that. And obviously that's gonna depend on the price of the token, but most likely I'm not gonna participate. Even if I get the allow list, I'll just get the airdrop. Yeah, but we'll see. Maybe the price is gonna be too good, who knows. Although I kinda doubt that, and the vesting schedule is kinda meh. That's gonna be it for this video. If you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave them down below. If you found the video helpful, be sure to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.